How to assemble the frame and wheels. To open the frame, simply push the latch on the side, lift up, and your frame will open. To attach the rear wheels, press the black button in the middle and slide into the housing, and do the same for the other side. To attach the front wheels, do the same. Simply pick up the wheels and slide into the housing and repeat for the other side. Next, I'll show you how to assemble the bassinet. The bassinet will come with 7 components: your mattress, the supporting rods, your baseboard and base fabric, your bassinet frame, your bumper bar, your bassinet apron, and your canopy. To start off, take the bottom end of the bassinet frame. How do you know it's the bottom end? It has the black latch, plus at the end of your bassinet fabric, there will be no mesh fabric. You simply get your frame, look for your zipper and zipper head, roll it over the frame, and then connect your zipper. You will then continue the whole way around the frame. You will then move over to the head end of the frame and do the exact same process. You will pull the fabric over the frame, connect the zipper, and then pull the zipper the whole way around. Once you've zippered on the fabric, you'll need to add your supporting rods. You'll look for 2 keyholes on both sides and then attach your supporting rods. At the end of your rod, look for the end and put it into the keyhole. Now we'll do the same with the second support rod. Once the support rods are in, simply pull them out and the bassinet will lock into place and open up. Next, get your bassinet mattress and slide it inside the bassinet. Next, zip the bassinet apron onto the front of the bassinet. Look for the zipper head and simply slide it in and click it on. Then pull the zipper the whole way around. Next, let's attach the canopy. Simply slide it on both sides. When lifting it up, at the bottom, connect it onto the white latch, and then finally attach your bassinet bar. And now repeat for the second bassinet. And now I'll show you how to set up the NUVO in twin mode with 2 bassinets. First, add your lower adapters to the bottom of the chassis. Then add in your upper adapters. Attach your first bassinet to the bottom adapters. And then repeat the same for the second bassinet. How to set up the NUVO with 2 seats. First, put on your lower adapters. Second, attach your upper adapters. And then attach your seats. The seats can also both be parent facing or world facing. If you have any further questions, please reach out to our local customer care team.